time. Little stars, look at the clock. Our ABC adventure is about to begin. Oh, look over there. Here comes the alphabet truck. Beep, beep. It's loaded with colorful letters. Let's unload them and find each letter one by one.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah, here today. Let's sing again. Let's go from A to Z, my friend. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Learning fun activities, Kingdom we.
Oh, I am finding a letter E. Where are you? Are you hiding from me? Oh, letter A, I can't find you. Oh, here you are, letter E. Found it. A is for apple. Now circle and B. Yeah, B. B is for ball. No, B is C. No, that's not C. C, 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 C. Oh, where are you? Where are you?
Clap your hands and
Yeah, here is it. C is for cat. Now the next one is D. Where's the letter D? D, where you are, where you are. One thing. Ooh, here I am. Here's the letter B. D is for dog. Now the next one is E. E is for elephant. And then fish. F for fish. Now the next one is G. G is for giraffe. H, where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. Oh, here I am. We found the letter H. H is for hen.
Now I know my ABCs.
I
Time won't you sing with me?
is for ice cream. Yeah, yummy, yummy.
Let's go from A to Z.
Now search the letter J. J is for jug. Then find K. K is here. K is for kite. I like the kite. Then the next one is L. L is for line. Ooh, line. Find the letter M. M is for mango. My favorite mango. F. Now find the letter N. N is for N. Where is here it is. N is for notebook. You can note anything on notebook. Like now, O is for O. Hands in small with please. Now find the letter P. P is for pig. My ABC. Next time we'll see. Now find the letter Q. What Q? My favorite queen. It's a queen. Q is for queen. Then it comes rabbit. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Then find letter S. S is for strawberry. Where are the letter T? T is for tall tree. Tree. Then find the letter U. U is for umbrella. Then the next one is V. V is for violin. I like it. Now find letter W. W. Yeah, W is for watermelon. Juicy. Then the next one is X. X is for X-ray. We can see Y. Y is for yolk. And the last one, Z. Z is for zebra. If you like my video, then subscribe to get more fun learning videos.